Hey everyone, this would be just an unboxing of the Aqueon Betta Bowl. I do want to say I would not recommend the size of a tank. I would recommend at least a 5-gallon tank, which is a lot bigger than this half-gallon tank here. But that is my own opinion. But let's get on into this Betta Bowl unboxing. So half-gallon tank here with, I think it should be all plastic with the top, even a divider, which is really bad. Let's just get on into this. Let's see what's all in here. So there's nothing else in the box. This one is black, as you can see. I do believe there are other colors. Again, this one is black. The store I bought this from only had this black. I'm doing this with just one hand here. But I believe they also, I know they should at least have a blue as well. Mine was 14 bucks. Let's see. There we go. Take all this stuff out here. So again, this is only a half-gallon tank. Again, I would say not even big enough for one Betta. Not even almost big enough for one Betta. But that's my own opinion. So we do have these that expired at the end of last year, 12/31/22. It is currently May of 23. So that expired a long time ago. You do get Betta food. This will probably actually last you quite some time. Those look decently sized though, so if you have a small Betta, it may not work out for you. Betta Bowl Plus, water conditioner, try out size again, so this would be good for the first time. Portable plant here. I would not recommend putting this in here. That will stab your poor Betta, especially in this size of a tank. That's really bad, but there you go. You do get a little thing of gravel here, which should be enough for this tiny tank. Definitely recommend rinsing this off. It looks pretty dirty, pretty cloudy. You do have this divider here, which again is pretty crazy how they have a divider in this tank and it's upside down. But no, maybe not. Oh, there you go. Definitely do not recommend doing that. Then you only get 1/4 of a tank. For Betta, put that in there. That's terrible. This top actually does have a feeder door here, which is pretty cool. Let's not even put that in there. There we go. Yeah, so again, half-gallon tank here. I'm trying to get this plant out real fast if I can. Again, I would not recommend a half-gallon tank for one Betta, let alone 2 Bettas. This thing is somewhat soft, but that is not good for your Betta. That's gonna damage your Betta, especially in this tiny of a tank. And yes, this is a tiny tank. And that is pretty bad. So yeah, you all let me know what you think. Again, I would say get at least a 5-gallon tank. Don't waste your money on this. You can go to Walmart for like 30 bucks, so about double the price of this, around 30, 35 bucks. And get a 5-gallon tank or even a 10-gallon tank. Be way better than this thing. Then you can also put other shrimp in with them or something like that. So I guess thanks for watching. Have a good one. Goodbye.